knowledge now one for the country and okay, all right. So about me and wrap you up on discussion yeah. Kofi, we see a wrap you up on whatever discussion na we nyame adom na se obi oba sentiment mo. I am sure say benya brepa na ye din komo na ya treat share sector by sector of vision policies abeso de ba. But now we can be then we will wrap up with that. Now, yeah, share next time.
Na me can say machinery now with the Jumano say no. One of the biggest problems that we're Ghana say yes systems in here efficient. Me boa catch me. Yes systems in here effective. Inti obroni per se or increase production on top more machines. Obroni per se or increase production. Inti make State Transport Corporation. We will say buses. Uko VIP. I will say buses. CC there is no way I will be able bus terminal. I will say buses. CC ho da. You need efficiency and effectiveness running of businesses. Into the corner VIP buses PCC ho. Obroni be run buses now on a schedule. Say. Buses need beer and who will lay away time. In America, Patra only say 24-hour economy no, yen 8 hours yedi jumano, yen men ye effective ye. See produce nearma 10 say in an 8-hour period. As I say, yet to me yan ye produce nearma 100 in an 8-hour period. With technology sabano, there is a possibility. Mino can say Elon Musk. I a fully automated car manufacturing company. Nipa kura ni ho. The beer will be a robot. Inti we reduce errors, we increase production time and the effectiveness efficiency. Nyansa ye juma. So inti the idea no me ba be a 6-hour economy, near 24-hour economy.
Hey.
Because I can prove. Oh yes, because a
6-hour economy.
6-hour economy. Because a 6-hour economy, no Ghana fube did them more, and yes, sika more sing a 24-hour economy now, Mr. Mahama can. Because they about productivity and effectiveness, and yet about say why you jumana keke.
How would that operate? 6-hour economy.
Yes,
Ghana currently. I'm saying pretty beyond even the 8 hours. We go beyond that. Some
John,
people do 12 hours.
You're not listening to me.
Okay.
Sir John.
Yes.
The idea is that Ghanaians are going to be more competent. Competence, it reduces lag time. If it's a way a woman, now the 1 hour, now the tribunal, now the woman now. We did a machine in 10 minutes, Nubenya more, in 5 minutes, Nubenya woman. The same woman, machine, with the machine, Bema, a bitch me a woman amount. One woman be with the bed 30 seconds in a bay. And so could trade be not the bet no sing, no pound. Woman, a bit taken a 1 hour. Medicam, Medisha machine, a bit take 30 seconds. None a year more effective. None a bay more woman more. Some patch of the American what you say. Indeed, Mahama idea and say, one HR woman or be maunga doors on 1 year, Juma 24 hours. Kofi Koranteng idea and say, Yento machine nebe na yema 1 year woman in ye free. Now benefits ye benya from exporting woman beyond Ghana, no. Says you can yen fenchia wonka. Inti Ghanaians are going to work less and live more at higher incomes. Any Kofi Koranteng model. A general Juma.
Wow. Okay, I see.
Work less, earn more.
All right. I'm sure say I better take your time to elaborate on it. Today, I don't say Oba sentiment on this 6-hour economy. No, I'll be interested in it. You bet me come here. For my a discussion. You see, your name Kofi Koranteng, 2024 presidential candidate, New Vision Movement, and also the Fufrabetum. Yeah, or the Fufrabetum. On your 24-hour economy, but oje 6 hour economy edi eno ye Kofi Koranteng no oje 6 hour economy di but only 24 hour economy eni o say eno na ebema ya effective ya system na ye effective efficient nti we work less and live better. Interesting. I was for we brewe nim enche ye be fa voice notes about voice note 05391999